Hi friends, today video about Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. With its strong processor and huge battery, the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G provides the ultimate user experience. The smartphone has a 108MP primary camera, as well as a 32MP selfie-shooting lens on the front, which assures a detailed result. Additionally, the brand has included an on-screen fingerprint sensor, making the gadget more user-friendly. Camera and display. The Samsung Galaxy A73 5G features a quad camera setup on the back end, a 108MP f1.8 primary camera, a 12MP f2.2 ultra-wide-angle camera, a 5MP f2.4 macro camera, and a 5MP depth camera are all included. LED flash, continuous shooting, digital zoom, autofocus, touch to focus, auto flash, and HDR mode are just a few of the advanced features available. The front of the device features a strong 32MP f2.2 wide-angle primary camera with screen flash. The Samsung Galaxy A73 5G has a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a 393 ppi pixel density and a screen resolution of 1080x2400 pixels. A 120 Hz refresh rate is also available on the device's bezel-less display. In addition, a punch hole on the front screen houses a selfie camera. Battery and configuration. The Samsung Galaxy A73 5G is powered by a 5000 mAh Li polymer battery, which allows for extended usage on a single charge. Aside from being compatible with the 25W fast charging system, the cell contained therein is non-removable. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G CPU and 8GB RAM power the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. The processor is an octa-core with a triple Cryo 670 arrangement that can run at a maximum speed of 2.4 GHz. The smartphone also has an Adreno 642L GPU to handle graphics tasks. Connectivity and storage. The Samsung Galaxy A73 5G has a large 128GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 1 TB. The smartphone supports Wi-Fi 802.11, BeaGUN, Bluetooth version 5.0, mobile hotspot, 5G, 4G Volt, USB Type-C connectivity and AGPS, GLONASS. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play